Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to enable MMS on your iPhone. So let's get into it. First of all, navigate to the Settings app on your phone screen and tap on the icon to open it. Scroll down the Settings menu to find the Messages and tap to open it. In the Messages settings, look for the MMS messaging option. Here you can see the SMS and MMS section. If it's not already enabled, tap the switch to turn on MMS messaging. The switch should turn green when MMS is enabled. You can also enable the send as SMS settings to ensure messages are sent as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. If you does not see the MMS messaging option, you may need to contact your carrier to ensure that MMS is supported and properly set up on your account. After enabling MMS, you should now be able to send and receive multimedia messages such as photos and videos. And that's it. You have successfully enabled MMS on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.